Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play Bad Dudes vs. Dragon Ninja on the Amiga. This was released by Imagine in 1989, a year after the arcade version was released by Data East. So the plot is that the president has been kidnapped and we have to save him by fighting against a horde of ninjas. So the controls are quite okay, I think. You have lots of different moves. So it's a bit similar as in International Karate Plus. So that you have pushing joystick in certain direction gives you already a punch or a kick or something like that. This is a difficult jump. Or you have to at least know how to precisely jump, because the manual states that the jumping is done just upwards by pushing up. But then in mid-air you have to push directly to right or directly to left to do something like that. Oh, nice. This tactic worked pretty well. Just standing on here, but... Oh, now I get the fire punch working. Oh. Damn it. Okay. This is an even harder jump than the earlier one. You have to do a super jump to make it. This works as well. It's a fire button and then up. It's just easiest to walk and take some damage. Okay. Stage 3 cleared, and there are 8 stages in this game. Ah, it's game over. Okay, so what do I think of the game then? I don't think it's a very good game, but I still enjoy it for a while. It could be worse also. The controls are nice, but it's quite hard to avoid damage. It feels like you take damage pretty much all the time, but maybe that's just me. Anyway, thanks for watching.